5 miles out of the truck stop, and we're in climbing Elk Mountain here. And when we get over it, it'll be a little better, but it's not so much the snow, but right now the wind's hitting the side of the truck. It's like 50-mile-an-hour wind gust. Climbing the hill. 3.4 miles to a gallon is what I'm getting in my first, I don't know, 6-7 miles starting out today. It'll get better. The way the wind's blowing when we turn to head towards Colorado. It's Route 25. We turn to head towards Colorado. Long tailwind. And once we get by Denver, then we should get clear of all the bad weather. Be able to make some good time. We got a long day today. I had to use up as much of my 11 hours of drive time as I can, get as far as we can. And I'm hoping that they get that appointment changed, because it's supposed to deliver tomorrow morning at 4:25 a.m. That's not happening as late as they got me out in Idaho. And it's just not going to happen. So I'm hoping they get that changed, but I'll keep you updated. The thing I forgot to tell you, we're on I-80 East, and we're just east of Laramie, Wyoming, about maybe 10 miles now. Climbing Elk Mountain. I think when we get over this, I'm hoping when we get over this, it won't be so bad. But Cheyenne's, we're supposed to hit the hardest. We gotta go through Cheyenne. Just thinking maybe we're early enough that we'll get through there before things are too bad. They're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches by tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Right now it's 9:43 a.m. Thursday. So we should squeak through now. And so we made it about another 10 miles. We're probably 20 miles east of Laramie, maybe 25. And it is full force. 40 plus mile an hour wind gusts. It's officially a blizzard now. You can see where that truck is on the left. The road was bare because it's blocking the wind. Basically, when the wind's blowing this hard, all that snow laying over to the north, it's just blowing it right across the highway. We got a new speed limit. It was, okay, now it's 45. It was 40. I think when we get off this mountain, it'll be a little better. I will tell. And I think the wind's coming from the north. All their snow fences and snow catches and everything here are set up to deflect the snow coming from the southwest. So their snow fences aren't doing any good right now to slow any wind or snow down from coming on the road. I think that's probably the biggest problem. We're just going to keep chugging along. Sooner or later we'll be out of it. I'm going slow enough that I'm not worried that anything's going to happen if it starts getting. I'm going to listen to them and do 45 miles an hour. Just try to work through it. bypass around Denver to get on 70. We're actually going to cut diagonally down through Colorado into the Oklahoma Panhandle and then run straight across from there. Pretty much what you see is what we've had for about 130 miles.
In a half mile,
But
change to right on E470 Northwest Parkway Airport and then change to the left at 0.2 miles.
okay, Susan, when we get going east, we should start to run out of the worst of it.
In a quarter mile,
We'll be in it a little while, but it'll get a little better and a little better as we go. So I'm hoping the radar's right. We'll find out. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like.
1,000 feet.
Until next time.
Left on E472 Denver International Airport.